In this video, I'll guide you through how to create an invoice in Zoho CRM. We'll go step by step from opening Zoho CRM all the way to saving a complete professional invoice. By the end, you'll know exactly where everything is and what each section is for, so you can confidently create invoices whenever you need them. Let's start by opening your browser and going to crm.zoho.com. Log in with your usual credentials if you're not already signed in. Once you're on the main Zoho CRM dashboard, look for the section where you can manage your products and related documents. In the top navigation bar, you should see an option labeled Inventory. Go ahead and click on Inventory. This area is where Zoho CRM keeps things like products, quotes, sales orders, and of course invoices. Inside the inventory section, find and click on Invoices. This will open the Invoices module where you can see any invoices that have already been created along with their status. At the top of this page, you'll see a button that says Create Invoice. Click that to open a new blank invoice form. This is where we'll fill in all the details. The first major area you'll work with is the invoice information. Here, you'll typically see fields like customer name, invoice date, due date, invoice number, and possibly some custom fields your organization has set up. Select or search for the right customer from your CRM records so everything ties back to the right account or contact. Make sure the invoice date is correct and adjust the due date according to your payment terms such as net 15 or net 30. Take a moment to review the invoice number if it's generated automatically, just to ensure it follows your company's numbering format. Next, move down to the address information. Usually, Zoho CRM will pull in billing and shipping addresses from the selected customer, but it's always a good idea to double check. Confirm that the billing address is where the invoice should be sent, and the shipping address matches where goods or services are delivered, if that applies. Update any details that are missing or outdated so the invoice doesn't get delayed or sent to the wrong place. After that, you'll enter the invoiced items. This is the heart of the invoice. Add each product or service you're billing for, one line at a time. Choose the item from your product list or type it in, then confirm the quantity, rate, and tax settings. As you add items, Zoho CRM will calculate line totals, taxes, and the overall invoice amount for you. Take a moment to review these numbers and make sure there are no typos or incorrect quantities. Now, scroll to the section for terms and conditions. This is where you spell out your payment terms, refund policy, late fees, or any other conditions that apply to this invoice. You can use a standard template your organization relies on or adjust the wording to fit this specific client or project. Clear terms here can help prevent misunderstandings later. Below that, you'll find a space to enter description information. Use this area to add any extra details that don't fit neatly into the line items, such as a brief project summary, internal reference numbers, or notes that help your customer understand what they're being billed for. This can be especially helpful for service-based work or bundled offerings. Once everything looks good, give the entire invoice one final review. Check the customer, addresses, items, totals, and notes. When you're satisfied, click Save. Your invoice is now created and stored in Zoho CRM, ready to be sent, printed, or further processed according to your workflow.